Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking into this YouTube video. Today I have a get ready with me, so if you want to know how I got this look, please stay tuned. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's move forward with the video. Bye guys. Before we move forward with this video, I do have a collab for today. One of my favorite things is perfume. Y'all should know that by now. I have a couple of perfume hauls on my channel. If y'all haven't, I will link them down in the description box so y'all can watch them. But I love perfume. I love smelling good. I love when I walk by and people can smell me. Like, I like to leave a cloud of perfume. So that leads me into today's collab, which is Dossier. Jumping into the website, the first thing you see is the slogan, crafted for you in France so everyone can smell good. So first things first, you know we love a good coupon. They're already giving us 20% off, and you know I got the hookup. They're also giving 10% off if you use my coupon code Tricia Bliss. It'll be down in the description box below. Go ahead and use it so you can get 30% off your first purchase. So jumping into Dossier is committed to producing classic, high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price. So they're providing us luxury for more than half off. Because we all can't be breaking the bank every single time we want to smell luxurious, and Dossier is here to save us. So below every scent, you see an inspired by note, and it lists out what high-end fragrance that it's being compared to. So you can smell like YSL Black Opium, a staple, okay? All the way to Gucci Bloom. So let's go ahead and talk about the fragrances that I received. The first one is Oriental Oak Moss, inspired by the Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. It's a light, airy, and sweet fragrance, but also brings out a sense of maturity. It's a wonderful, flirty, but classy scent. So if you're shy at first, but then bold, this one would be perfect for you. Next up is Ambre Saffron, inspired by Baccarat Rouge by 40. This is a warm and woody scent with a slight sweet kick to it. It's giving boss, it's giving showstopper, it's giving confidence, okay? If you are like this and you want to be noticed, because believe me, you will be, this is for you. Again, don't forget to check out dossier.com. Everything you need to know will be down in the description box. Now on to the rest of the video. So, you guys, this week was a week for me, okay? I had to get an emergency root canal. Work was hard, difficult, a lot going on. Men suck, okay? I am tired and I feel tried. And I'm just like, yo, I need to get cute. I need to do my hair, I need to do my makeup. I need to feel good. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put on my Afro beats and I'm gonna beat this space. And we just gonna vibe, chill out, and do my makeup. So starting first, let's beat this face. So what I'm using to prime my face is the Milk Hydro Grip and the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. I need something that's going to make sure my makeup lasts all day and mattify my oily skin, okay? And going in with the holy grail of powders, I'm going to go ahead and set my primer with the Airspun Powder. So now going into my eyebrows, I got my eyebrow pencil at the beauty supply store. It's by the brand Nick Cat, and I think you can basically find it at every beauty supply store. So I got it there, super cheap, and it's super pigmented. While I'm sitting here doing my voiceover, it dawned on me this is the first time I'm showing y'all how I do my eyebrows. By the way, that's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix. I was making that face because I don't remember why I made that face. But anyway, yeah, I don't know. I don't show how I do my eyebrows more, and it looks real nice. Okay, anyway, back to the video. And here I'm just going in with a pure 4-in-1 to do the top of my eyebrows. Alright guys, so now that we have our face ready, we are moving on to foundation. I'm going to be using the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation in the shade 470. You guys, I love this foundation. I know it's old and it's been on the market for a while, but when I tell y'all I just picked it up and I fell in love, I find myself gravitating to this almost every time I do my makeup. I literally love this foundation. Alright, so my foundation is done, and like I said, I literally love this foundation. Now it's time to conceal. I'm going to be going in with two different ones, the Juvias Place and as well the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And we're gonna let this dry, sit on my face a little bit before I move it around, just to make it a little bit more matte and full coverage. Now going in with a brush this time, I'm going to blend out the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, just so that the coverage stays there. You know, sometimes using a sponge can take away product, but I really want the brightness to stay. And then to set my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Pro Filter powder in the shade Coffee. And then to contour my face, I'm going to be using the Juvias Place Bronze palette in the color Deep Dark. And now for my favorite part, the lashes. Let me know down below if you want to know where I got these lashes from. And now for finishing touches, I'm going to go in with my Fit Me powder in the shade 375. And the highlight I decided to use today was the Revlon Skin Lights. I love this highlight because it's not too much, it's not too bright. I feel like it's perfect for the summertime. And now to my second favorite part, the lips. Y'all, this is my favorite go-to lip color. It looks so good on my skin. I love a good nude pink. I just love this so much. Alright, so this is what my makeup and my hair is looking like. This hair is from AliExpress. I'll link it down below. But now all I gotta do is get dressed. Hey guys, if you're still watching this video, thank you so much. I appreciate it. You know I love y'all so much. Thank you for supporting me. This was the finished look right here. Honestly, the tops and bottoms are very old, like from rainbow old, like super old, but made them work. The shoes are from AliExpress, so I can link those down below. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to use my coupon code for Dossier. It'll be linked down below in the description box, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys!